Hello guys, hello everyone. So welcome to my new vlog. So guys, today we are going to Katiki Waterfalls. The distance from Vizag to Katiki Waterfall is around 3 hour 11 minute, approx 108.1 kilometer. So guys, from Katiki Waterfall to Araku, the distance is 41 minutes, that is 19.2 kilometer by road. So guys, we have started our journey in the morning time around 10:30 a.m. Approximately we'll reach by 1:30 to 2 p.m. to the spot. So guys, we have already reached to the Katiki waterfall, from where the steps will be starting towards the waterfall. So guys, Katiki waterfall is a scenic waterfall in the Alluri Sitharama Raju district of Andhra Pradesh, India. It is located in the Eastern Ghats near Borra Caves. So from this position we can see the waterfall from down to the top, and it is seen very small, but when we go up, we can see the waterfall very clearly. So guys, it is located in the Eastern Ghats near Borra Caves. The Katiki Falls are named after the village of Katiki where they are located. The falls originate from the Gosthani river. So this is the steps we have to go towards the waterfall. So it is the fall originates from the Gosthani river. The fall are surrounded by greenery and have clear water. The fall are about 50 feet high. The fall are not recommended for the elderly people. Getting there are no stairs or paved pathways to the falls. So guys, if you are planning a trip to Araku Valley, Katiki Waterfall is a destination you won't want to miss. Whether you are a nature enthusiast or just looking to unwind, Katiki Waterfall is sure to captivate you with its natural beauty and scenic atmosphere. So guys, this is the beautiful Katiki Waterfall. This waterfall named after the nearby village of Katiki. The falls originate from the Gosthani river and cascade down a height of approximately 50 feet. The picturesque site surrounded by lush forest offers clear, cool water ideal for relaxation and exploration. Standing about 50 feet tall, Katiki Waterfall is a striking feature in the Araku Valley landscape. Located roughly 4 kilometers from the famous Borra Caves, its proximity to the cave makes it an accessible and worthwhile addition to Araku itinerary. The falls are set amidst dense greenery, offering a refreshing retreat. So guys, Katiki Falls are named after the village of Katiki where they are located. This is the beautiful waterfall. It falls around 50 feet from the top and it originates from the Gosthani river. The falls are surrounded by greenery and have clear water. We can easily take bath from this waterfall. Guys, there are a lot of waterfalls, but we are not able to take bath in every waterfall. So this is one of the waterfall in Araku Valley where you can take easy bath and you can enjoy the fresh water, fresh and clear water. So guys, we have taken the bath and we have enjoyed the waterfall a lot. This is the beautiful Katiki Waterfalls. So guys, to reach this beautiful Katiki waterfall, start your adventure from the Borra Caves. You will trek through scenic forest trails to the waterfall's base. The trek is straightforward, but the final stage involves a steeper climb. Thankfully, steps and railings help you navigate safely. The effort rewards you with stunning views and a chance to cool off in the pool at the base.